Now we have a show you know. We're being asked to find the surface area of the cylinder to the nearest tenth of a square centimeter. So tenth, that's a reminder. And we've got a tube here of some sort. It looks like its height is 55 centimeters between the two bases, which are circular in nature, so it's a cylinder. And we've got a diameter of 9 centimeters. So we can summarize that here. Diameter is 9 centimeters. Radius is going to be half of that, so 9 divided by 2 gives us 4.5 centimeters for our radius. And the height given is 55 centimeters. So we're being asked to either use a net or the formula to find the answer. Well, if you wanted to draw a net, it would be something similar to this, where I've got a diameter here of 9 centimeters and I've got a 55 centimeter width on the rectangle. And I know that the height here is going to be pi times d for the circumference of the circle. So you can do that. You can calculate the area for each circle, pi r squared for each one. Calculate the area of the rectangle and add them all together. I'm going to use the surface area formula, which was 2 times pi r squared plus pi d times h. So 2 times the area of the circle plus the area of our rectangle. So we can substitute in the values that we know. So it's 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which we set up here was 4.5 centimeters, squared, plus 3.14 times d, which actually the diameter is 9 centimeters, times the height of 55 centimeters. So those are the numbers we're working with. So 2 times 3.14 is 6.28 times 4.5 squared plus 3.14 times 9 times 55. I'll just do one calculation at a time here. 6.28 times, and then 4.5 squared is 4.5 times 4.5, which is 20.25 plus, and then we'll leave this for another minute. Now we multiply 6.28 times 20 1/4, and we have 127.17 plus. Now we can go over here. Let's do 3.14 times 9 is 28.26 times 55. So 127.17 plus, do this multiplication, 1554.3. Now you can add those together. For a total of 1681.47 centimeters squared. Now, the question had us going to the 10th, so the total surface area of the cylinder is 1681.5 centimeters squared. To one decimal place, we look here, the next digit is 7, so the 4 needs to be bumped up to a 5. And that is your solution for the show you know.